Ready?
What's going on, guys? We are out here with the amazing Elliot Sloan. He was nice enough to invite us to his house. Now we have a bit of a surprise for him. He has no idea what is in this box. Aaron packed this box himself. We are here to deliver it to you, and it's going to be exciting once you see what's in it. So let's get it open.
That'll work.
We tried.
All right, dude. Let's see what this is all about.
So
There's a little note for you.
Okay. Drop in with 5 of these boards in 20 minutes, win $500. What? Whoa. Wait, is this plexiglass?
I think so. It's like plastic.
Yeah, it's a little plexiglass one.
What? Oh, it's kind of bendable.
It's got a little flex to it.
Okay. Oh my god. Oh my god, the Louis. So I just gotta drop in with these, like
5 of them in 20 minutes.
In 20 minutes, okay. Can I use my trucks?
Yeah,
yeah.
That's what I say. You
want.
can warm up, we got hardware and stuff. You can do whatever.
Oh my god, dude, the pizza.
Yeah,
that one is sick, dude. Oh my god, the knife.
There's more.
Yeah, wait, there's more.
I think I got that. Oh my god, dude. This one's gonna be gnar. Has anyone tried this?
Oh, no, not a drop-in. It's been skated, but
this has been skated.
Yeah.
And I'm dropping in on the Mega with this.
Well, it's up to you. You want $500?
Yeah.
Yo, dude. Oh my god, dude. That might be sketch. This one is badass,
So
dude.
you only
I love
have
that
to
one,
do
yeah.
5.
This one.
Yeah, you're gonna do 5, but there's got 2 more.
Oh my god, dude, this thing is so
That's the one I want to see, to be honest. Probably the
So
most
wait,
successful.
any 5 of these?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your
Okay.
choice.
So this one has been dropped in on a normal vert before. Nigel did that.
Do I have to make it over or just drop
No,
it?
Like
drop
just
in.
just drop in.
I think I
Like
mean,
what we said, we're not trying to.
Yeah, we don't.
I think I could drop in on a vert ramp on this one. Trying to send it over the jump might be kind of sketch on
Oh
this
yeah.
one.
No.
Oh yeah.
That's insane.
We're only talking drop
We're
in.
just saying
We're
drop
just
in.
talking dropping, but if you,
Not, I mean, yeah, like
I think
don't even know
got-
what to say.
so
I
there's
think
these
I
other
could-
2 as
Yeah,
well.
we got
this
these
one
two.
you
Oh
probably
my
got.
god, for sure we got
That's a boat right there.
surfboard. This thing's nuts. So this is one of them too?
Yeah,
And
and
then
then
this
this
one's
one,
off.
full
What's up with this
titanium.
Titanium? Yeah, let's do it. Let's set it up. I got my board up there. I'll just have to go grab
we'll
my
take-
trucks and stuff.
Oh my goodness.
I wonder if the Flex is gonna have any like. One doesn't really
McNug.
Flex. What's up? Should we go in there? I heard he has a music studio.
Yeah, he does.
Trying to play Super Mario Brothers on guitar.
Alright, Elliot, so with the challenge is we're not trying to kill you at all, okay? So I think we'll leave it up to you. You can do the drop-in on the vert ramp or on the mega quarter, whatever you're feeling, you know? So if you want to do all 5 of the 8 on the mega quarter, amazing. If you want to do it on the vert ramp, that's cool too.
The only thing with the mega quarter is there's no stairs. It's only like this steep ladder. Let's do it. We got this. Yeah, sick. You got to get like pizza grip tape though. They got to make that.
I'm sure.
Got the goods.
Let's go.
I don't know if Bob's had that sign. Look at that. Elliot definitely has a sign.
Hey.
If you see me not skating, I'm listening to the sign.
It looks so much smaller on video.
Oh my.
What's the coffin for?
I bet Halloween here goes crazy.
Yeah, and dude, it's on a Saturday this year. But yeah, we did like tricks on. I did an eggplant. Bucky did a frontside invert on it.
Damn.
Alex Perelson did like rock fakie.
No, thank you.
Yeah, no.
Oh my.
I mean, what I don't like, why you gotta make it so narrow in the most important bit? And why you gotta make it next to bricks?
Like cinder blocks and like another 10-foot drop on the left there.
Wow.
I mean, so what does he do? He does this, hits the quarter, then comes this way.
Yeah.
Yep. So how big is this vert, Elliot?
The vert ramp is almost 14 feet. It's like 13.9 inches or 13.
And what about that one just down there?
This quarter pipe here is 18 feet and that one's 20 feet.
That one's 20.
Yeah.
Oh, Like, how high is this one?
This rolling's 35 feet, and the gap is like 34 feet. The second gap's like 27 feet, around there.
And you don't want to have like a nice safety net in there, just.
You know, it kind of just takes away from like
I can
how it
respect
looks, you know? And I mean, obviously when I built this, I was already,
You know what scares me about that? I look at this ramp and I'm like, whippy, but like manageable.
Yeah.
But then I look at this little dip where it cuts in,
yeah.
and I'm like, oh.
Well, the thing is, like, yeah, that kind of like freaks people out, but it's not like when you're dropping on this, you're going straight. You know, you're not.
Well, you're going straight.
And the other thing is like the bushings. You know, it's like, I always tell everybody, as long as you have the right board, it's manageable. But some people just try and like use their regular board, and they just like, I'll just crank down my trucks, and I'm like, just use my board. Like, you got it. Like,
Can I have just a roll on your board?
That's my Vert one. This is here you can see like my trucks.
Okay, so my initial reaction to the other trucks that I use was like, this is unskateably tight. So let's try it. Yeah, that's the one. So it's crazy, like you roll on this and it just does nothing. When you're going speed, you're like, oh,
Yeah.
it's normal again.
Yeah,
it's
such a
really
trick,
crazy.
but when you hit it
Yeah.
with speed, it feels normal.
The other one, it was 8 and it was like hella protruding.
That's the one thing I always hated about like full mega, like the full mega setup. I hated the 215s and like seeing my wheels out here.
I like push and like touch the wheel.
Yeah, so that's what's so nice about this too, is like you can use a regular board, and
Yeah, amazing.
it's just the bushings with these special
Dan,
special
can you
bones.
stand on it, Dan?
Me?
Yeah.
It's like a rock.
See what I mean?
Heel flip.
I don't think I really have to warm up to drop in.
Just drop in, right?
Flex like crazy, but yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty flexy.
Well, it's crazy how thin that is. Boat. Oh, the Louis. Don't forget about the Louis. For sure is the hardest. Oh my god, I don't even. Right?
It's so flexible.
Oh my god, dude. There's like literally no wheelbase, dude. I think I would just, yeah, I don't know. Wow.
Your feet would be so close together.
I haven't pictured that in a really long time, like since I started skating or tried to drop in on vert, but all I see with this is going face first. Face first, dude. Oh, that's gnarly. So for sure, got 1, 2, 3, 4. All of these are gonna be somewhat easy except this, and this one's just kind of sketchy as far as like, you know, it's like flat. It just feels like dude, my feet are just moving around on that, and these are brand new shoes too. All right, well, take these off.
Alright, so once you get the first one set up, then we'll start.
Yeah, then on the first drop in, we'll
Yeah.
timer.
Okay.
So Aaron gave us one instruction other than the rules. He said, don't kill anyone. So that is our priority.
Yeah.
Including yourself.
Well, I think I got it.
I know,
Give you this board?
Yeah.
There you go. Yeah, don't kill yourself, but too bad.
Jumping on that one. How much does it weigh?
Got a board flip? Okay.
Nope.
No.
Break my wrist.
I'll Venmo you $20 if you guess.
Can't do it.
You just lost $20. I did. To be fair, that was a heel flip. Yeah. But we got to do it here though.
Oh man.
I want to see it like this.
Oh my god. That's it, dude. For the win. All right, so I got the extra grippy mob grip. Why not? So can I this one up with the?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. And then,
I can drop in.
oh, look at that. Perfect.
I
fit.
might not.
We're ready, right? I think I'm going this one first.
All right.
As soon as you go over, the timer starts.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Here we go. Ready?
All right. Yep.
Wait, how loose are these trucks? They're not that bad. All right. Man, this is like the most nervous I've been for a drop in.
Got it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Whoa! That was so close to killing you.
Okay.
Alright.
Ready?
We're ready.
Get the pizza.
15 seconds in.
Did that count?
Yeah.
You made it.
Yo, that one flexed worse than the other one. That was crazy.
That's 2 down.
We're still under a minute.
All right. So now we stop the timer. We set up the next one.
Okay.
So you got less than a minute.
That one flexed so gnarly, dude. I thought I was gonna snap it.
Wait, did it break?
Oh, yeah.
Did it?
Yeah.
Oh, it did. Oh my God, dude.
Damn.
Dude, seriously, I felt like it was compressing so hard as I was going up the wall.
Broken board on a drop-in.
Yeah, I feel like we'd probably still be good if.
Yeah, honestly,
Timer
I
was
think you
still
probably
going.
could.
Yeah.
Down.
All right. Go boat. All right.
All right.
Timer's going.
Timer's back.
Whoa, dude.
Oh. Too easy.
Almost too easy. So that's my new pro model. Got it in there. 14-inch wide bar.
I think it is. I think it's 15 or something.
A minute? Oh, we could have just kept it going.
Yeah,
It's alright.
That's what I was thinking.
it's fine.
Three down. Let's go.
Who's next?
Oh man.
Louis?
At least this one doesn't.
That one's got some conditioning grip.
Yeah, we're going Louis. Louis.
All right.
What's that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Get it going.
Sweating just changing.
Red.
More. Oh man, dude, this one seems gnarly now. Damn it. Oh my God. Wait, does that count? Should I do it again?
You got redo.
I got it, okay.
All right, so the time is running.
Yep.
The time is run.
We're at a minute and a half right now.
You got it. You got
Dude,
it.
that one was.
You got the time.
It's probably not too often he bails to drop one.
Dude, seriously.
Yeah.
Got it.
Perfect.
All right.
Board, grab the next board.
All right, we're good.
Not even like the narrowness. I think it's just like the wheelbase.
Yeah.
When your feet are like this.
Yeah.
Oh, the
That's-
chainsaw's like half the size of that.
I know.
If you do the chainsaw, you're probably the greatest
Just remember
of all
the
time.
one.
If you do the chainsaw, you're
Well,
the
that's
greatest of all
up to
time, though.
I
Easily.
remember there was like, I think it was an ad for Plan B or something back in the day. Like Colin McKay did a trick on this like penny board. I think I don't know if he did like just a backside air or something, but I mean, you know, it was like smaller than that.
That's so sick. I remember that famous Thrasher photo of the dude's doing like a frontside air on the like AK-47 as well.
Oh yeah. Yeah, that thing's sick.
Oh shit.
How many people have done the chainsaw one?
What, drop in?
Yeah,
On a vert ramp? Nobody.
nobody. Oh my
First in the world.
man, this one's gonna be sketch because there's no tail, dude. Like, how do you can't even set the board up? Oh, yeah, I could do that, huh?
Alright, timer's
I
going.
guess that would take away from. Actually, wow, this one might be really sketchy now. To be honest.
Might want to grip the front for that.
Right? I
Yeah.
was about to go, dude.
Because the way you're dropping with that, there's going to be a lot of like force on the front foot when it hits.
Full pocket. Wait, should I do it this way? I mean, that's definitely easier.
That's the 5.
That's it.
Congratulations, you win the $500.
Did it? Sick.
That's amazing. I mean,
2 minutes and 57 seconds. Nice, man.
Dude, thanks, guys.
crushed it.
That was awesome.
But hey, you know, it's not about the time, it's about actually doing the drop-in, and that is really intense. Look
Yeah.
at these crazy boards.
You know what? It was a whole different thing once they were actually up here and I put them up to the coping like
Isn't that always the way,
Yeah.
you know?
Over
it's like,
there, I
yeah,
was
but
like-
then you stand up there, oh, it's a different
Yeah,
story.
especially with the chain link one. I was like, oh, for sure I can do that. And I'm like, the chainsaw one, that one's questionable. The knife, we still got to figure that out. But
Yeah.
I'm stoked that I did all of these
Amazing.
and didn't slip off or blow my knee out. I was seriously pictured going like that. Or,
yeah, everyone's happy about that.
yeah.
Well, congratulations.
Thanks. It feels like there's like oil on it or something, you know?
Yeah.
Maybe I should just do this for a bonus.
Yeah, if you want.
Yeah.
Bonus round.
Bonus round. Okay, I think we got this.
Oh my god. What about the front foot?
Yeah, good.
Board selection's getting real slim.
How much does that thing weigh, you think?
30 pounds.
At least.
Look at my arm. Yep, 30 pounds for sure.
All right, bonus round. figured why not? This thing's here. It's the most metal board ever. Might as well hit it.
Metal board for a
Oh
metal
my
dude.
god!
Ooh, you alright?
You definitely got that.
Just wanted to go straight instead of
Yeah,
up.
yeah. Dude, I almost lost it just like setting the board. I was like, whoa.
Give it a curl.
Incredible. I think after doing that one, you might be able to do the saw.
Dude, I don't know about the saw.
Definitely don't have to. I feel like that one was pretty crazy, like way crazier than the saw. Just
Amazing.
if that thing comes back down you anyway, like that's gonna.
It's like I said, I think the only issue is the wheelbase, dude.
Right, it's-
Yeah, look, it's easily 5 inches smaller. I don't know. Shutting down, pushing
I just like that
it.
you're thinking about it.
I mean,
And nobody else was like, oh, this might be a good idea. They just let it lay there, but you're actually thinking about it.
it would be sick, dude.
A big thanks to Elliot for letting us come here and hang out. Amazing job dropping in on these 5 boards. There are some videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below. Let us know what crazy things you want to see. And of course, follow Elliot on Instagram at Elliot Sloan, I believe. On YouTube, Elliot Sloan.
Yep.
We're gonna make some more magic. Leave it in the comments. What do you want to see Elliot do at the Mega Ramp?
Later.